P&J Productions present.
You know what our Rizman goes? Tornado of the Glass. Oh yes.
Rascals. I wonder if Carlsberg is not classed as ale. Not yeah, flying fuck. But it's probably referring to craft ales, you know what I mean? Like Wigglewelton, that Wainwright, Golden Ale and stuff like Courage.
The Courage bit.
It's finding Courage though. I have to try and find out that stocks. I know that Own Bargains at Skippendale as Man's Brown Ale, which I think is absolutely divine. I could suck Man's Brown Ale all the time. It's a low ABV, isn't it? Percenter. About, is it 2.8 or something?
Yeah, but it's really good. It's really nice taste.
Yeah.
It's not funny, Tony.
Yeah, I think it's about 2.8 percenter. As Blot would say from the Blot Outdoor Show.
Come on, Tony, let me out.
But it's lovely, really old-fashioned ale, brown ale. Oh, Candice Glendenning, she is, probably still is quite a nice-looking lass, even though she'll be in a mature year. Oh.
Still people have to get them.
Wait.
No fucking-
Not yet. Now. Oh, interesting.
Forget about it. It's too much of a head.
Ah. Paul Whitman blazes tools.
I'd like to ask for your cooperation on this matter. Accident. They're usually reading this as an accident.
Why did you try and get her back, Tony?
Oh, this is what Mark Taylor likes, up here likes. Supping garlic. I don't know. Pick up from airport. It's time to fucking Tenerife again.
It's a little bit.
There's little Mick. There's little Mick. With a massive dick. The Human Dorsal Pin. Blot Outdoor Show. Best channel on YouTube. Apart from fascinating horror and reading School Lost Railways and Paul Whitwick. But Blot Outdoor Show is the bollocks. You know it makes sense.
Fucking hell.
What's the girl do when her husband's away?
What did you just say there, Miss Horn? Rather strange statement. Where would you like to pour ale? Oh, he's gone shy now.
Not good sight.
Yeah, but you said pouring ale up your ass.
Ooh.
Oh, my God. But now I've got a new favourite. Along this little the Human Dorsal Pin, young Chris. I like him. I mean, what a shed he's got, eh?
Yep.
Back in Merton again. Looks a bit bloody. Obviously, it's a pit village, isn't it? I've seen that scene before. Seen that scene from a different angle. That must be a community pub. The Village Inn. A bit like not Designer Outlet, but a bit like Designer Outlet, a bit like one of Doncaster as well.
Oh yes, guys, here he's here. Young Chris, aka the King of Swing Dingo, come on, as they call him on the Scottish Isle of Lewis Capaldi.
All the Chris is a young Chris with his wild camp.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
So in Merton, we're going to do a takeaway review from a place called Merton Pizzas, and it's a place that you've used regularly, isn't it? Original name, aye. Aye, so he was surprised when I told him it's only got a 1 star. The food's supposed to be nice, isn't it? I love it, mate. Like, I normally get pizzas from there, aye. So there you go, guys. That's what we aim to do on this channel. Find a low star takeaway. Because people will think, oh, it's only got a 1 star, and they'll say, I'm not going there. But the 1 star might have nothing to do with the food.
My head's gone down a bit now. We could get rid of that fucker in easy.
Leave it much in that back, and let you know that the food is really nice. You better believe it. Right, guys.
Right.
And I'll bring your legends back in a minute. Away.
I'm pretty sure that I'd win it for 2 minutes.
I was the last 1 minute 40.
I do too. It's what it says on packet.
Yeah, I could tell now, yeah. It's Georgie burst. Georgie burst.
You're more like bloody Smithy's mother. Who makes an appearance in the finale as well, looking just like she did last time we were seeing her with the messy hair. Pam Ferris.
Mm. It's not as pronounced as it was in that sequence, but you could tell.
So it's only certain sequences then.
Yeah, like this.
They're like a fight sequence, isn't they?
Mm.
I'm hoping to get. If I can get if bring out a refreshed version of this, like remastered and recoloured and super sharp, it should be a lot better, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
One of my roomers, a friend of Kathy's, Sue Helen. Which one is Miss Helen? She isn't here.
Where is she?
I don't know. We heard her scream, and when we went looking for her, she was gone.
Have you checked your roommates? Are they all in?
All but Miss Helen.
Lieutenant Brennan will want a statement. Fucking thorn bushes. Sharps out on there. Well done, mate. Well done, Matt.
Mandingo.
Now we've just got to get down there, which I can see it's not a big job for me, Mick, but it is for you. So I'll get down first, and then I'll help you down. You know what I'm talking about. Get my pad off me. Put me back in there.
But
Right, how we're gonna do this? Push your tongue away. Yeah. I've got you, mate. Right, folks, so this is where me and Mick will be spending the night. It's just starting to rain. So this is going to be the perfect spot where we can just sit and chill out, make a coffee, drink some beers, whiskey, cook our food. Just sit and chill out, talk to you guys, and have a great time. The floor will be too hard here, the ground will be too hot. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Back out to the owner. Where's he gone? Oh, he's there. Back out with the little mandingo, little Mick.